Libya, a country where a man can marry up to 4 wives. It is also a country that has experienced long-term turbulence. Since the overthrow of the Gaddafi regime in 2011, the situation here has continued to fluctuate, with continuous struggles between different factions in the country, causing chaos and social order. The safety of people's lives and property has been seriously threatened. Armed conflicts have destroyed a large amount of infrastructure, including roads, bridges, power facilities, hospitals, and schools, seriously affecting the lives of the people and the development of the nation. At the same time, due to long-term instability, Libya's social security situation has worsened, crime rates have risen, and people lack a sense of safety. So, what kind of country is Libya? Next, let's get to know this mysterious nation together. Libya is located in North Africa, along the Mediterranean coast. It shares borders with Egypt, Sudan, Chad, Niger, Algeria, and Tunisia. The country covers an area of about 1.76 million square kilometers, making it the 4th largest country in Africa. Its coastline stretches for more than 1,900 kilometers. This geographical position makes it an important bridge between Africa and Europe. In ancient times, when merchant caravans crossed the Sahara Desert, Libya was a vital supply station. Traders from the Mediterranean also often stopped here to rest. The population of Libya is about 7.4 million, mainly composed of Arabs and Berbers. The official language is Arabic, and the dominant religion is Islam. Here, one can see a mix of traditional and modern life. Ancient Arab culture intertwined with Berber traditions, forming a unique blend of customs and heritage. The history of Libya can be traced back to around 1200 BC, when evidence of early human settlements already existed. From the 5th century BC, Phoenicians and ancient Greeks came here to establish cities, leaving behind remarkable marks of civilization. Later, Libyan territory came under the rule of the Byzantines and Egyptians, each adding different colors to this land. In 74 BC, Libya was annexed by the Roman Empire. Under Roman rule, the cities further developed, and many monumental structures rose from the ground. In the 3rd century AD, the Libyans rebelled against the rule of the Gothic Empire. In the early 7th century, when the Kingdom of Numidia was established, Arab Muslims brought Islam to this land, transforming Libya's culture and religious structure. In the mid-16th century, the Ottoman Empire gained control over Libya. In the early 20th century, Italy began to colonize Libya. After World War II, the United Nations took over administration of the territory. On December 24, 1951, Libya declared independence and became the United Kingdom of Libya, a federal monarchy later renamed the Kingdom of Libya. On September 1, 1969, the Free Officers Movement led by Muammar Gaddafi launched a coup and established the Libyan Arab Republic. After that, the country underwent many transformations. In 2011, the Gaddafi regime was overthrown, and Libya once again fell into turmoil. Since then, the nation has been struggling to rebuild and pursue peaceful development. The Libyan economy has long relied on its abundant oil resources, operating under a largely state-controlled model. This brought significant economic growth before the 2011 civil war. Before the conflict, Libya's oil and gas production reached about 1.6 million barrels per day. However, the ongoing instability has severely affected production. Although production later recovered to pre-war levels, it fluctuated again due to various factors. As of 2023, Libya's oil and gas output reached about 1.4 million barrels per day. Its total GDP was approximately $44.1 billion, with per capita GDP around $6,125 and a growth rate of 9.6%. The oil industry remains the backbone of Libya's economy, accounting for most of its export revenue. Its main export partners include Italy, Germany, Spain, and France. Besides oil, Libya also has petrochemicals, mining, power generation, textiles, and food processing industries, though their development remains relatively limited. In recent years, Libya has been working to promote economic diversification, encouraging foreign investment in other sectors, such as tourism. Agriculture contributes about 2.6% to GDP and employs about 17% of the population. However, Libya's agricultural development faces many challenges. Arable land accounts for only 1.03% of its total area, and surface water covers less than 1%. This is mainly because most of the country is desert, with a dry climate and scarce water resources. The petrochemical industry also holds a vital position in Libya. The country has about 8.5 million hectares of forest land, but natural conditions limit agricultural productivity. Libya relies heavily on imports. Nearly half of its food and petrochemical products come from abroad. In terms of natural resources, Libya is undoubtedly one of Africa's resource-rich nations. Its proven oil reserves are about 48.4 billion barrels, the largest in Africa, and among the top 10 in the world. Its natural gas reserves are around 1.54 trillion cubic meters, also ranking among Africa's leading producers. These black gold resources once made Libya one of the wealthiest African countries. In the 1970s and 1980s, Libya's per capita GDP even surpassed that of some developed nations, and people enjoyed a high standard of living. In addition to oil and gas, Libya also possesses rich mineral resources such as iron ore, manganese, rock salt, copper, and tin. The coastal regions are rich in marine resources. Goldfish and sardine catches are especially abundant, making them major export products. It can be said that Libya's land and sea are filled with treasures. Libya's climate shows clear regional differences. The northern coastal areas have a Mediterranean climate, warm and humid in winter, hot and dry in summer. The average temperature in January is around 11 degrees Celsius, and in July around 28 degrees Celsius. With lush vegetation and beautiful seascapes, these areas are ideal for vacations. The inland region, however, belongs to a tropical desert climate, dry with little rainfall. The average temperature in January is about 17 degrees Celsius, and in July about 38 degrees Celsius. During summer, it is often affected by the dry, hot southern wind known as the Ghibli Sirocco. In Sava, located in northwestern Libya, temperatures can reach as high as 48.9 degrees Celsius, making it one of the driest regions in the world. Libya also has a unique travel charm that attracts adventurous travelers to explore. It has 5 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Cyrene Archaeological Site lets you travel back to the ancient Greek era and witness the glory of Greek civilization. Leptis Magna Archaeological Site preserves extensive Roman-era ruins, including magnificent theaters and grand public buildings. Sabratha Archaeological Site displays the delicacy and grandeur of ancient Roman architecture. Tadrart Akakis Rock Art Site features thousands of prehistoric carvings and paintings depicting early human life. Old Town of Gadams, a pearl in the desert, with unique architecture and a long history that makes visitors feel as if they've stepped into a fairy tale world. In addition, Libya's desert landscapes are breathtaking. Silver sands shimmer like gold under the sun, and the oases serve as miracles of life, offering cool relief to weary travelers. However, due to safety concerns, traveling in Libya is not currently recommended. So, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.